हेलो ये तो आज हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं अपना चैप्टर 4 एनवायरनमेंट का जो कि है कि मैनग्रोव्स इंट्रोडक्शन। Mangroves are the shrubs or small trees that grow in a coastal, saline, or brackish water. Mangroves represent a characteristic littoral near the seashore forest ecosystem. There are mostly evergreen forests that grow in the sheltered, low-lying coast estuaries, mudflats, tidal creeks, backwaters, coastal waters held back on a land, marshes and lagoons of the tropical and subtropical region. Mangroves grow below the high water level of the spring tides. The best location are where abundant silt is brought down by the rivers or on the backshore of skirting sandy beaches. Mangroves are highly productive ecosystem and the trees may vary in height from 8 to 20 meters. They protect the seashore from the effect of the cyclones and tsunamis. They are the breeding and sowing ground for many commercially important fishes. Since mangroves are located between the land and the sea, they represent the best example of ecotone. Topic number 4.2: Characteristic of mangrove vegetation. Mangrove are the salt tolerant trees are called the halophytes and are adapted to harsh coastal conditions. Mangroves vegetation facilitate more loss, water loss. Leaves are the thick and contain self salt secretly. Gland some block absorption of the salt at their roots itself. They contain a complex salt filtration system and complex root system to cope with the salt water immersion and wave action. They are adapted. They are adapted they are adapted to the low oxygen atomic anoxic condition of waterlogged mud. They produced pseudomorphic blind root to overcome the respiration problem in the anaerobic soil condition. They require high solar radiation to filter saline water through the root. This explains why mangroves are confined to only tropical and subtropical coastal waters. Mangroves occur in the variety of configurations. Some species, example Rhizophora sand and arching props root down into the water, while other example Echithena stand vertically. Metrophorsis or air roots up from the mud in size. Mangroves ranges from bushy stand of dwarf mangrove found in Gulf of Kutch to taller stand found in the Sundarbans. On the Andaman and Nicobar Island, the small tidal estuaries and the lagoons support a dense and diverse undisturbed mangrove flora. Adventitious root which emerged from the main trunk of a tree above ground level are called stilt roots. Mangroves exhibit biparty mode of reproduction. I seed germinate in the itself before falling to the ground. This is an adapted mechanism to overcome the problem of germination in saline water. Topic number 4.3: Mangroves in India. Mangroves occur worldwide in the tropics and the subtropics, mainly between latitude 25° north and 25 degrees south. The mangroves of the Sundarbans are the largest single block of the tidal halophytic mangrove of the world. This mangrove forest is famous for the Royal Bengal tiger and crocodile. The mangrove of the Bhitarkanika, Odisha, which is second largest in India in the Indian subcontinent, harbor high concentration of the typical mangrove species and high genetic diversity. Mangrove swamp are also occur in profusion in the intertidal mudflat on the both side of the creek in the Godavari Krishna deltic region of Andhra Pradesh. Mangroves of Pichvaraman and Veda Ranyam, Tamil Nadu are degraded mainly due to construction of aquaculture ponds and salt pans. On the west coast of India, mangroves, mostly scrubby and degraded, occurs along the intertidal region of the estuaries and the creeks in Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka. The mangrove vegetation in the coastal zone of Kerala is very sparse and thin. In Gujarat, northwest coast, mangroves Avicenna marine, Avicenna Ophiolines and Rhizophora mucronata are found mainly in Gulf of Kutch and the Kori Creek. The condition of the mangroves is improving, especially in the Kori Creek region, which is the Palo Delta of the Indus River. Once upon a time, it was a part of Indus Delta. Mangrove services. Ecosystem services are the benefit people obtain from ecosystem. Ecosystem services can be grouped in a four categories, four broad categories: provisioning, such as the product of the food and water, regulate such disaster as reduction DRR and the control of diseases, supporting such as a nutrient cycle and water purification, and cultural, such as spiritual and recreation benefit of the help to inform uh, decisions maker. Many ecosystem services are being assigned economic values. Ecotourism and nurseries for many fish species. Mangroves have many young fish, jellyfish, and other animals among the interwoven roots, making snorkeling expanding a very popular ecotourism in mangroves areas is a growing industry with a great potential, of which values the mangroves intact and as the stand. Coastal protection. Mangroves absorb the energy of the wave that the pass through them, by which means they are highly effective control protection. A 100-meter deep forest can reduce the destruction from the storm surge by cover 90%. Of mangroves also keep guard water fresh and protect agriculture land behind from the salination. Wildlife habitation. Mangrove forests have high biodiversity and support many threats and endangered species such as manatees, sea turtle, crab-eating monkeys, monitor lizard, Royal Bengal tigers, and fishing cats. Most tropical fish spend their juvenile life in the mangrove, and they are prime nesting site for the hundred of bird species. Cleaning water. Secondly, dedicated to the intertidal zones, mangroves maintain coastal water quality through the retention, removal, and the cycling of natural nutrient pollution and parcu- uh, particulate matter from rivers and land-based sources, protecting seawater habitat such as coral reefs and seagrasses, meadows. And now our topic is 4.5 threat to mangrove. Climate change may reduce the global mangroves area by 10 to 50% by but it is a long-term less significant threat to the current 1 to 2% to annual loss from the human activities, natural threat, cyclones, typhoons, and strong wave actions, trampling and overgrazing by wildlife and the livestock close to the mangroves region, damage by the crabs, oysters, and the pest to the young seedlings of mangroves. Anthropological threats, agriculture, many thousands of acres of mangrove forest have been destroyed to make way to the for rice, paddy, rubber, teas, palm oil plantation, and the other forms of agriculture. Coastal development take many forms, but as a streams and wetlands are filled by road and the concrete they can no longer process natural chemical roads still pollutant that accompany development can damage individual trees or whole tract of mangroves. Shrimp farming by the far of the greatest threat to the world's mangrove forest is rapidly expanding. Shrimp's aquaculture industry, hundreds of the thousands of acres of the lush wetlands have been cleared to make room for the artificial ponds that are the densely stocked with the shrimp. Charcoal and lumber industries. The chopping down mangrove for charcoal and timber is an important cottage industry for many coastal communities. Mangrove wood is used for the building material, fencing, and the fuel. It also yield valuable high quality charcoal in place. Bear fishing has declined below the subsistence level. Many people are turned into the charcoal production for their livelihood, which is further the cycle of habitat loss and the fishery decline. Topic number 4.6: Conservation of mangroves. Coastal regulations, Jones rules of also stresses about regulation, construction, and hazardous infrastructure development in and around coastal areas, thus protecting mangroves. Smart special monitoring and the reporting tool monitoring in the Sundarbans empower local administration contributing to a more effective management of natural resources. The state of Gujarat uses direct seed sowing, raised bed plantation, and the fish bones channel. State of Andaman plantation to resource degradation. Mangroves. State of Andhra Pradesh has established eco development committee and one sama, samakshan samiti to implement a conservation project in mangroves area. The state of Maharashtra has been implementation, restoration, protection, regeneration, and maintenance technique to conserve mangroves. Mangroves for Future initiative. Mangroves for the Future MFF is a unique partner-led initiative to promote investment in the coastal ecosystem conservation for a sustainable development. The goal is to promote an integrated ocean-wide approach to coastal management and to building the resilience of ecosystem-dependent coastal communities. Mangroves are the flagship of the initiative of but MFF is inclusive of all types of coastal ecosystems such as coral reefs, estuaries, lagoons, beaches, seagrasses, and wetlands. And now our chapter 4 is completed.